Picture of Cece dropping into the water at the bottom of the stairs. She's a mess.
I just fell.
Here comes a big one. We're not going to get too close in case a rogue big one comes. We don't want to be washed away, but maybe we'll find some gold doubloons after this is all over. I would say it was no worse, probably less, than the storm of '92.
The beach is really short now.
That washed away the boardwalk.
The beach is really small.
No, it's not going to stay small like this.
Look at the foam.
It'll go out. We go, see. Touch the water, see how it feels. It's cold or warm. If you see a big wave coming, run back. Well, of course there's erosion. That's what the dunes are for. The dunes did their job in Bradley Beach. Much as we complained about them, here's what happened.
Me falling down the stairs. That's what happened.
Erosion of the dunes. Say this was probably not as bad as the '92 nor'easter. We're walking on the beach up here. What's Cece?